So I went to my first holiday party this week, Network Outdoors, and the table host asked me, how's the market? So I get asked that on a daily basis. I have over 150 clients that are looking for homes, and I speak on a regular basis, and they're asking me, how's interest rates? How's the market? What do I think is going to happen? Do I think interest rates are going to come down? What do I think the market's going to do? Well, do I think interest rates are going to come down? Yes. I think they're going to come down to around the 6% range, maybe 5.5%. But for those of us that think that 3% is a new normal, that is not going to happen. So we're going to have an interest rate of about 5.5 to 6.5%. We're going to have the spring market's going to tick up because all these buyers are going to say, rates are down, let's get into the market. This is their first time buying a home. Many repeat buyers that want to sell and rebuy, they've been feeling stuck in their homes for the past 5 to 7 years. And we have buyers that are just, again, waiting in the wings. So all the while this is happening, inflation is increasing. House prices are going up. In fact, Fannie Mae just announced the new loan limits for 2024 is $766,550 to buy a regular middle-class home, up to $766,000. And the FHA loan limit is 65% of that at just over $498,000. That seems like a lot of house to me for our average median income earners, $500,000 and $766,000. So with that being said, these house prices just keep going up and up due to inflation while we're waiting for interest rates to downtick. And the question becomes, do I think this is a good time to buy? That's the follow-up question at this party of mine. And the answer is yes. I believe now is a good time to buy. In fact, I think for the last 4 months it's been a good time to buy, and I think it's going to be a good time to buy in the upcoming 2 months until around mid-February. And here's why. Previous to that, you had to buy the home with an appraisal guarantee offering $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 above the appraisal. And then you had to offer inspection waivers, or you had very little negotiating power in your home inspection. And it was like giving because it's been a seller's market because there's low inventory. Well, as these interest rates come down, these flood of buyers, you know I have a lot of them and other loan officers do as well, and they're going to flood back into the marketplace and look for homes and look to buy, driving the prices yet up more. If you're a seller, do I think this is a good time to sell? Yes, get your home ready. This is a time to get your little things that you're supposed to do in your home completed, painting projects, little things that will bring the value of your house up, do all your marketing planning, get your market analysis done, set your price, and get ready. Get ready and go on market in mid-February. In February, go in market, especially the beginning to the middle of the month, because February we found is a new April. Over the last 5 years, the new spring has been February, and it falls off in mid to end of July. So, especially if you're in a colder climate, you're going to want to get your house ready for market and be ready to rock in February. That's the truth. I hope you are having an amazing holiday season and a Merry Christmas to you, and I look forward to catching up with you again soon.